All right, so in this video, we're going to go over real quick on how to incorporate the nifty image that you created into one of your messaging, like Twilio. All right, so we're going to use Twilio for the example here. So what we want to do is that nifty image that we set up a while ago, I'll link the video below, we set up for a 15-minute warning, if you want to say. So what we want to do is 15 minutes before the event, we want to have that Twilio message, put that nifty image in there. So we want to go before in relative time, and we want to do it 15 minutes before. And we're going to go to Twilio, and then we want to send an MMS. So the media we want to use is nifty images, or nifty image here. And then we want to use that demo 3 that we created. Now remember, we added in, we want that first name. So what we want to do is go here and click on first name. So that first name will pop up with that message underneath that we created. Now we can go here. Oops. And go here, join URL, and then set up the numbering that you're using. And then click create here. And then now, right here, we have that MMS going off. So they will receive that image that you created. So that is how to use AEvent, Twilio, and nifty image together here to send in MMS. Any question at all, please let us know. You can comment below. You can also reach out to us here at support. You can go to help, search our knowledge base, and go to messages, and you can reach out to the team, and then we'll get back to you really quick on a response to keep you moving forward on your timeline and on your actions. So thank you again. Like the video. Please click the thumbs up and subscribe so you are up to date on all of our videos that we are posting to help you through AEvent. Thank you very much. Have a great one.